Had been to Halebi temple? First time.
This is my second time.
Sir, ours is Vishnu temple. Presiding deity Channa Keshava. Channa means beautiful in local language.
Okay.
Keshava is the first name of Lord Vishnu. The deity is absolutely pretty, hence it is called Channa Keshava. The dynasty name Hoysala. Hoysalas ruled in Karnataka 10 to 14th century. They have contributed 92 temples. Among them Belur, Halebid and Somnathpur near Mysore. These three best specimen of Hoysala architecture. The Hoysala famous king Vishnuvardhana built this temple 1117 AD, 1117, 903 years old. He took 3 generations to complete this temple. 103 years and 3 generations. Vishnuvardhana, Prince Vijaya Narasimha and grandson Veeraballala complete this temple. So this temple made up of soapstone, sir. Soft stone, geological name steatite, blue chloritic cyst variety. This stone, while taking from earth, it acts soft. After exposed to air and light, becomes hard. Very easy to carve this stone. 1,000 sculptors worked here. Jakanacharya and Dankanacharya is the chief architect of our temple, father and son.
Okay.
Look there, the entrance gopuram much later addition. Vijayanagara dynasty during 14th century, that is South Indian style. Up to the door lintel, it is granite. Above the door lintel, bricks and mortar called terracotta works. Gopura meaning, go means cow. Cow sacred animal, look there. Cow horns on the top, Pura is the place. That is Dravidian style of what? Dravida style.
Okay.
See this pillar, madam, flag post, Dwaja Stambh. It symbolizes it as still functioning temple, active temple.
Okay.
In case there is no flag post, that is monument. That temple is incomplete.
Incomplete.
In front of the pillar here, Garuda, man eagle, carrier for Lord Vishnu. Did you saw in Indonesia Airlines?
Yes, sir.
Garuda Airlines. In Shiva temple, Shiva vehicle bull, Nandi.
Nandi.
Brahma vehicle swan. That closed door, sir. Inside philosopher Ramanujacharya and his 12 Alvars temples, 12 followers temples, daily morning and evening worshipping.
Okay.
Look there, sir, that one model temple, sir. Replica of our main temple, prototype.
Okay.
Before constructing this temple, that one made, just like blueprint.
Okay.
That one made just 20 years.
Okay.
This one 103 years and 3 generations, because
Okay.
art and architecture, only this temple.
Okay.
So this temple constructed according to perfect architecture, according to Vastu. Towards northeast we have a pond water.
Okay.
Towards southeast, kitchen and lamp pole, fire. East main entrance. Every temple always towards east direction because sunrise.
Okay. Videography is not allowed, right? Inside?
Come this way. Look here. These two are the royal emblem of Hoysala dynasty, madam. Royal crest. Here, boy fighting with a tiger. The historical story behind this symbol.
Okay.
In those days, we don't have no school, colleges.
Okay.
People used to study in a hermitage, ashram, gurukula.
Right.
One day, teacher teaching in front of the student, one tiger appeared hermitage.
Okay.
Boys were afraid and went away.
Okay.
One boy, Sala, his name is Sala, S-A-L-A. He was a young and brave boy.
Okay.
Suddenly, teacher uttered a word, Hoi Sala. Hoi means to kill, Moro. Sala, the name of the boy. He killed the tiger. He became the first king of Hoysala, a founder of the dynasty.
Okay.
Hence, it is called a Hoysala dynasty or a Hoysala emperor.
Okay.
See this animal, neither a tiger nor a lion.
Right.
Just called Leograph. Ligon, Tigon, mixture of two animals. In Sanskrit, Shardul.
Okay.
Look there, above the doorway, sir. Garuda, man eagle. Just above the Garuda, fourth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Narasimha. Either side of Narasimha, we are having 5 circles, sir. This side 5, that side 5. Each circle, each incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu 10 times rebirth. Dashavatara. Begins with your left at the bottom, first circle fish Matsya. Second one total Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha and Vamana. On the other side, human incarnation on the top, Parashuram, Shriram, Krishna, Buddha and Kalki. Ninth incarnation is completed. 10th one, Kalki is yet to come. Sir, a whole thing made up of one piece of stone. We can able to pose the fingers behind that scroll work, sir, just like paper cutting is. On both sides there are two mythical animal, mythological animal, Makara. Looks like an elephant. That one imaginary animal. 7 animals body combination. Look there, lion's leg, pig's body, cow's ear, monkey's eye, crocodile's mouth, elephant's trunk, feathers like peacock. That one imaginary animal, Makara. Vehicle for Varuna and Varini. Rain god seated on the top. Whole thing made up of one piece of stone. Sir, our temple famous for this type of dancing statues. Totally 42. Inside 4 and outside 38. See, this statue comes in many publicity, sir, advertisement. Lady admiring her beauty through the mirror. How is she elegantly holding the mirror? After her decoration, she wanted to put a vermilion, red mark, red powder.
Right.
There are small attendants standing near her, one left side attendant offering vermilion.
Right.
On to her right side, tiny attendant carrying a baby monkey. Can you see the monkey left
yes,
leg
yes.
and holding bunch of grapes? Simply showing the grapes to monkey, not offering.
Okay.
Poor monkey disappointed with sucking its own finger with a sad face. In the same way, she is also disappointed. Her lover does not come in proper time. She just created a picture through the mirror. Lover is not near her. She is disappointed about lover. Artist compared like this, beauty and the mirror, monkey and the grapes.
Okay.
Different 9 moods. This one beauty, Shringar. Look there, madam. Here what we have seen here, little damage notice. Hand broken, necklace broken. These are all local vandalism during 14th century. In a Halebid temple, 2 times invaded by Malik Kafur and Delhi Sultan Alauddin Khilji during 1310 and 1326. They destroy city, palace, even temple also. That's why it is called Halebidu. Halebidu means ruined city. Before it was called Dwarasamudra, capital city of Hoysala dynasty. These are all local vandalism during 14th century. We'll be around the temple first. Don't go backside. Carefully. Sir, in between 2 pillars, man with the sword called King Vishnuvardhana, Hoysala famous King Vishnuvardhana. Left side Queen Shantala Devi, wife. On to his right side philosopher Ramanujacharya. King by born as a Jain. Later he converted to Vaishnavism by the influence of Ramanujacharya. In center Vishnu, this is the courtyard. These are all added later, sir. In 12th century time, just open pillared hall. These are all added, his grandson added later. Second one, madam, lady with a pet parrot. In those days, we don't have no telephone communication. People used to send their message through the birds, pigeon and parrot. Parrot can talk, pigeon can carry the letter. Look here in our temple, 644 elephants around the temple, sir. Here, each one is different, sir. Different position, different ornaments. These all represent strength, stability. Look there, madam. These are all stolen. More than 80 statues stolen, sir. They are in the Victoria Albert Museum, London. See that one, a holy dance. This is North Indian famous festival, Holi.
Right.
Look there, one assistant giving a color pot. On to her left side, tiny attendant filling the water from the bucket. There was a pump in right hand that has been broken. 900 years back, they had using pichkari, Dr. Siranj. Here, lady with a pet pigeon. There is a bird sitting on right arm. She holding a letter in left hand. She was received letter from the bird. See the left side servant dress looks like a Bermuda short. She is wearing a Bermuda. Nothing new existence. History repeats itself. Old is gold, sir. Here monkey and the modesty, monkey pulling her sari, pulling her dress. She is disappointed about monkey. She is going to beat with bunch of tree with anger. See the hairstyle, madam, looks like a saxophone. In our temple, more than 620 different hairstyles. Bob cut, ponytail, sadhana cut, and Ajanta hairstyle also. I will show you later. Beauty parlor people copied from here. Look there, sir. Huntress. Lady hunting the bird. Above the bow, there are two small birds. Below, one attender holding a small deer also. This one courage. That one jokes, comedy. Look there here, Mahabharata panel here, sir. Kauravas, Pandavas playing dice. Bhima while shaking tree, Kauravas falling. Bhima offering rice to his mother Kunti. Court scene of Viratraya Darbar. Here Pandavas taking bows and arrows from Shammi tree. Look there here, war between Bhishma Charya and Arjuna. Below Bhishma laying on bed of arrows. Bhima throwing an elephant like football. Bhagadatta Samara, demon comes in the form of an elephant. Krishna chariot to Arjuna. Last one Gita-upadesha. Krishna to Arjuna. In detail in Halebi temple, sir. Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavata.
हर मूर्ति का मतलब है every statue has a meaning.
Yes, sir. Each one is different. Look at madam, lady hairdressing, madam. I am focusing light. Lady after her bath, drying her long hair. At the end of year, you can see the water droplets. Lady hairdressing. This one very difficult dance in Bharatanatyam. Here our leg portion is turned 120-degree angle. Drum portion is one side, waist portion is other side. Her bending the body position, even her necklace bends different direction. Last one, sir, Kapala Bhairavi. This is palm of Parvati, aspect of Parvati. She holding a bar in left hand. There is a skull. Can you see the skull?
Yes.
Inside a hollow, sir. We can pass a small stick, ear to ear and eye to eye. Intricate work. Here, lady drummer. She is playing a drum. She has kept her left hand inside the rope to change the drum sound. Finger and rope are chiseled in such a way, one stone, single stone. Chiseled with workshop, brought here and assembled on the top. Look there. Just pivot and socket system fixed there. Just like, sir, electric plug and socket system fixed. This one first male figure, Muralidhar, playing a flute, Krishna madam. Look here textile design, skirt with printed design. Look there here, what we have called open collared coat, bathrobe dress. In center belt, collar and Roman cap, textile design. It seems new, sir, but it is very, very old. Look there here, bell symbols. Bells are broken while she is singing, her lips are open. You can see the gap between her lips. Mandahas. Here is an interesting figure. A woman in a donkey face and boy loving her. This woman not existence. In Sanskrit, Prapti Shodashe Varshe Gardhabapi Apsara Bhavet. The meaning behind this, the boy at the age of sweet 16, all woman looks appear like an angel for his eye. Love is blind. Kama Turanam Nabhayam Nalajja. The age of sweet 16, donkey face looks like a very beautiful. See this one, Natyam Mohini. See the filigree work, sir, looks like a lace work, sir. There are two layers in one stone, single stone. Onto her left shoulder, above the shoulder, there is a lizard I am focusing like. Just above the lizard, you can see the jackfruit. In the middle of jackfruit, you can see the fly sitting. Very minute carvings. Look here. Lizard. Jackfruit. In the middle of jackfruit, you can see the fly sitting. To eat the fruit fly, lizard is watching. The meaning behind the struggle for existence, survival of the fittest. Theories of Darwin's, but much before Darwin's. Look there here, third incarnation of Lord Vishnu, wild boar Varaha. He killed the demon Hiranyaksha and taking it. Intestine of the demon looks like a chain made up of stone. Look there here. Lady with a musical instrument called Rudra Veena, madam. There was a string of same stone, string also made up of one piece of stone that has been broken. And you can see the gap between her chain, madam. Can you see the gap? One chain to another chain. That is skill of artist.
बाय गॉड सच में आर्टिस्ट में बना पाए.
Look there. Come here. Very easy to see. One of the forest queen. She holding a bird on her right hand. Can you see the bird? Flower bird. You can see the gap between bird and finger. Left hand is broken. Once again, a huntress. She is aiming the bird above the bow. There are two small birds. This one second male figure joker. From beginning to here, what we have seen, these are all human things. Next, you can see the godly things. Spiritual part, this one common part. Jivatma and Paramatma, Nar Narayan. Here only sanctum, sanctorum portion, only godly things. Look there. Last one, sir, Shiva Jalandhar. Shiva is destroyer. Shiva holding a bar. Pushes man to heaven. Step down demons to hell. That is heaven. This is hell. Here hell. Skeleton with ribs. Sculptor imagination. This is Kali. Form of Parvati. She has skeleton body. On her stomach you can see the scorpion and snake inside this. Last one, madam. Ten-headed Ravana lifted on Kailasa mountain. Top of the mountain, below Shikar, Shiva, Parvati and bull. Nandi also there. Sir, in those days made up of stone. Look there. Hexagonal nut, sir. Nut, bolt, washer are chiseled in such a way, one stone. 900 years back they're designing nut, bolt, washers made up of stone. Elephants represent strength. Lions represent courage. Horse represents speed. Speed, courage and strength together. Look here, this one new finishing. So this one old finishing. Workmanship between old and new. These are all restoration work. In those days, sir, made up of willpower. Today only willpower, sir. Difference.
इतना ये सुंदर लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है?
उसको मैच करने के लिए बनाते हैं.
Walk on the mat, sir.
मैं तो गरम है.
Look here, four-headed Brahma creator. Top of the Brahma, you can see the chain, madam. Looks like a real metallic chain made up of stone. There are 14 links. 14 links means 14 worlds. Below the earth 7, above the earth 7. This one masterpiece of our temple, Narasimha, lion god. He killed the demon Hiranyakashipu and taking intestine out. Intestine of the demon looks like a garland. See, a tongue is very sharp, sir. Masterpiece.
Awesome.
Here Ganesh having 8 hands, dancing and rat. Children were worshipping for better result in the month of April. Seasonal Ganesh, exam Ganesh. You go to Hyderabad, Isa Balaji, Chilkur Balaji. Here Gajasura Mardana. Gajasura in the form of demon elephant. Shiva dancing inside the body of elephant and wearing the skin of elephant as a cloth. On both sides you can see the legs of elephant. Gajasura Mardana. Side by side King Cobra and Queen Cobra together. Nagaraja and Nagarani. Here Shiva. 900 years back they had using platform slippers with gap. Today's fashion, madam, high heels. Here sun god, Surya Bhagavan. His chariot Aruna, his rider Aruna. Aruna comes with 7 horses. Each horses, each color of rainbow. 7 colors are 7 days in a week. Look there, Vishnu have 2 consorts, 2 wives, 2 Lakshmi temple. One goddess of wealth, Sri Devi. That one goddess of earth, Sri Devi and Bhudevi. So this one pillared hold, meant for marriage purpose. That one later addition, 300 years later. Even today here marriage is going on, still in use.
Okay.
Another Vishnu temple called Veera Narayana. One more Vishnu temple.
वो कुछ अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन था.
Sir, Hoysalas are constructed a temple, star-shaped elevated platform.
Okay.
In our temple, 32 corners.
Okay.
Each corner corresponding to the walls. This style is called Hoysala style.
Okay.
If we construct a temple in star shape, we accommodate more carvings in limited space, more surface area.
Right.
Another reason to protect the carvings from light and shade effect. Look there, these are all different forms of Vishnu. Archaeological department given a chemical treatment, 10 years once, 12 years once. That's why very clean.
Right.
These are all mini towers for decoration purpose. Look here, multi-store building, madam. See this one, ground floor and first floor. Look there, balcony with corridor, sit out.
Hmm.
Here, 12th century modern lady. See the hairstyle, Ajanta hairstyle. After her decoration, she wanted to have an evening walk with her 2 children. One holding small bulldog with belt. She is holding a bulldog with belt. Nothing new existence. History repeat itself. Look there, madam. Dog looks like a Vodafone. Pug looks like a pug.
Yeah.
We had
This is an outlet. In Sanskrit, pranala. Water coming from sanctum portion, holy water. Look there, to construct a one pond to collect the holy water. In those days, they had done UGD system, underground drainage. Look, there is a hole. Here, madam, footprints of Lord Vishnu. In center, lotus called lotus feet, called Padmapal. This one, third incarnation of Lord Vishnu, wild boar Varaha. He killed the demon Hiranyaksha and taking goddesses of earth on the top, Bhudevi. Look there, sir, here, god of love and goddess of love together, love gods, Rati and Manmata. Rati holds fruit, Manmata holds sugarcane. Sugarcane represents sweet, fruit also represents sweet. Love is more sweet, love gods together. See, this is the act scene of Mahabharata called Draupadi Swayamvara, Matsyantra Veda. One of the Pandava, his name Arjuna, he was famous in archery. Here, sir, Arjuna hitting a fish on the top, seeing below oil bowl, reflection of the oil bowl, arrow directly knocked off the fish. Formerly, Arjuna had bow. Even string of bow is made up of one stone. If touch this string, possible to some sound. But people thought, if not this string, possible to some musical sound, like Sari, Gama, Padani. To hearing the sound, then rub this stone, then this statue is damaged.
Okay.
Even today in Vijay Vittala temple in Hampi, different pillar, different sound can be there. You saw Hampi temple?
We will visit, yeah.
These are all local vandals. Sir, temple can be divided into 2 portions. Sir, again we enter the human things. This one godly things. Paramatma, that one Jiva. Don't go back, sir. Look there, these are all different dancing statues
देखिए
like Rudrika, Renuka, Rohini, Chandrika. These are all old Kannada inscriptions, sir. Temple's donor's name, madam. Lands, money, donor's name written in local language. Local language Kannada 3. Old Kannada, Middle Kannada, New Kannada. This one Middle Kannada inscription.
स्वामी ये क्या नाम है इस टेंपल का?
Channakeshwara, Vishnu Mandir.
चन्नाकेश्वर टेंपल. विष्णु टेंपल.
Here, madam, successful entrance. Lady hunting after returning from the forest. Below, an attender carrying a dead body of an animal. Onto her right side, tiny attender removing the thorn from feet of another attender. Here, artist shows subordinate system like PA to PA, assistant to sub-assistant. Hierarchy, sir.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
To kill the demon Bhasmasura and keeping his hand on his head, Mohini Bhasmasura. If you take that statue from there, keep in a straight position, If we drop off water molecule from small finger, that touches tips of our nose, tips of our left wrist, finger of left hand, finally toe of left hand falls to ground. This shows skill of artist. 90-degree or plumb line, alignment, sir. 5 points equal, collinear. Here, madam, poison lady spy. In those days, this type of poisonous ladies used to kill the enemies who were braver than this. On the pedestal, you can see the scorpion, madam. Can you see the scorpion?
Yes, yes.
She is more poisonous than the scorpion. Vishakanya. Just like Mata Hari. Come this side, sir. Look there here, teacher and pupil. Teacher teaching the dancing position to student. Below student trying to do the dancing position. In between two pillar, Vishnu sleeping on 7-headed cobra called as Ananta Shayana. Lakshmi near his feet. From the navel of Vishnu, Brahma seated on lotus. In those days, sir, Lakshmi near his feet. Nowadays, vice versa. Here, lady astrologer, you can see the palm lines on her right hand. Can you see the palm lines?
Yes.
Astrology book in left hand, lady astrologer. Last one, sir, fan dance. She holding a fan on her right hand, palm leaf in left hand with a tied face. They know about Japanese dance. Here I am focusing light. Saint looks one foot shape, one eating the another animal. At the bottom, frog swallowed by snake, snake by an elephant, elephant by a lion,
Food chain.
lion by a shardula and two-headed eagle. Ecosystem, ecological balance, life cycle. See this one Naga Veena, this is one type of a musical instrument. One end of the instrument looks like a hoods of snake. Here proud lady. Lady after her decoration, she is standing in proud manner. She thought she was most beautiful than statue like Miss World. Below one attender showing mirror to big lady. Her image is also most beautiful than lady. Proud lady, arrogant lady, Garviste. Come this side. I told you, madam, in our temple, more than 620 different hairstyles. See the hairstyle, madam, peacock feather. Earring is very beautiful. Look here, bob cut. This one fringe cut, sadhana hairstyle. Here boy cut. Look there, gypsy girl. She holding a drum in left hand, symbol of other hand, gypsy. Last one, madam, horse tail with a long hair clip on the top. 900 years back, she is wearing a hair clip. Here one attender offering toe ring to big lady, toe ring. Another ring in right hand. Her hands bends, even her front bangle fell downwards. That is sculptor imagination. Look there, this one third male figure, he is playing a drum. You can see the depression on both sides due to constant use. Can you see the depression of the drum?
Yeah.
Hand broken by vandals. Here bell symbols, while she is singing her lips are opened. You can see the half teeth also visible. That one last dancer, she is tapping her toe to take the rhythm. This is final step in Bharatanatyam, Tillana. In between two pillar court scene of Vijaya Narasimha. That side father, this side son. His son Veeraballala complete this temple. He took 3 generations, 103 years and 3 generations. Look there, to construct a one pond. It is approximately 46 feet depth to collect the seepage water. General opinion, sir, Belur temple inside beauty, Halebit temple outside beauty. Here much more beautiful inside. Please get inside. Inside we are having 48 columns, 48 pillars non-line. Each pillar consisting 5 sections, combination of 5 pieces called polyolithic pillar. We called Panchashila. Look here, bottom to here base. Here to next shaft. Third one capital. Fourth one corbel. Last one abacus. Each pillar approximately 4,000 to 5,000 kilos, 4 to 5 tons. These are the holy pillars. This pillar previously used to rotate depending on stone ball bearing system during 16th century. Archaeological report says. Look here. Here the next stone ball bearing system now does not move because there was a tower on the top of the ceiling. Due to heavy rain and storm, tower fell downwards. Afterwards, beam fell on the pillar. Overload of the pillar ball bearing system collapsed. Then this pillar stopped rotating. What we have seen inside and outside carvings, all are chiseled in this way. Miniature. Look at total temple index, all the dancing statues, 24 forms of Vishnu, Narasimha, Brahma, Ramayana and Mahabharata epic story. Summary of whole temple only. Here only one blank space left by sculptor, only one blank space. There is no definite shape of God, definite shape. Another meaning is if any artist comes who chiseled more than these sculpture, challenging, anybody can do. We can pass our fingers easily, look at three-dimensional effect, 3D, see at depth. Look here, 48 pillars, like look here, only one angle looks like a bicycle tire design. Second pillar on the top looks like a automobile car tire design. In those days, ladies wear these type of bangles, kada. Next one, cord take you. This is dancing stage, meant for dance. In those days, Queen Shantala Devi, wife of Vishnu Mardana, herself danced and offered to God. Queen Shantala Devi was famous dancer. South Indian typical classical dance Bharatanatyam. See this statue represents Queen Shantala. Onto her forehead there is a pendant, stone pendant. That pendant even today possible to move up and down, chiseled with same stone. On the pedestal titles given to her, some awards written in local language. Natya Rani, Nritya Saraswati, Natya Visharada Shantala, written in old Kannada inscription. Second one, angel. Hands full of bangles. She is wearing a long crown. Backside purpurated girl. She is tapping her toe to take the rhythm. This is commencement of Bharatanatyam. That looks like a metal shining made up of stone. Again here, ladies squeezing on both the hands. At the end of here, you can see the water droplets. Lady hairdresser. So this one peacock dance. There is a bird sitting on left arm. That bird front looks like a parrot, feathers like peacock. The symbolic meaning is a good dancer dances like a peacock and talks like a parrot. On to her right hand, there are two stone bracelets. Front bracelet free from the forehand. Even today, front bangle possible to move up and down, chiseled with same stone. These four masterpiece of our temple. Look there, madam, very beautiful selling Bhuvaneshwari in Sanskrit. It is 6 feet depth, 14 feet diameter, 24 feet circumference. Many pieces assembled one above the other like interlocking system, just like woodwork. At the center column, a hanging column. At the bottom, you can see the fourth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Narasimha. Narasimha is Vishnu. Vishnu is preserved. In center of the pillar, you can see the lotus petal. Lotus represents Brahma. Brahma is creator. Total pillar looks like an inverted shape of lingam. Shiva in the form of lingam. Shiva is destroyer. All trinities meet in a one place called Bhuvaneshwari. G-O-D, God. G for generator Brahma, O for operator Vishnu, D for destroyer Shiva. This type of ceiling we can see in only 3 places in India. One is here Delur, next one Somnathpur near Mysore. Third one Rajasthan, Mount Habu, Dilwara temple, that is Jain temple, that is white marble, this is soapstone. One more very important pillar, Mohini. Look here, Vishnu in female form. Holy thread, sacred thread shows this is God Vishnu. Hands are broken by local vandals. Look here, gap of his crown. Statue, filigree, pillar, everything is one piece of stone. Only one pillar monolith. In female, 4 classes. They are Hastini, Chittini, Shankini, Padmini. Padmini is most beautiful lady. The artist shows perfect proportionated body. Look here, face should be 1/7 of the body. 1/7. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nose should be 1/3 of her face. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Total face length to forehead. Eyebrow looks like a bow called as Kamakshi. Eye looks like a fish called as Meenakshi. Total face looks like a moon called Chandramukhi. Look here, small waist looks like a lion waist. If any ladies, second toe longer than other toes, that shows commanding capacity of subject, dominating capacity. If you both, husband and wife, have this character, they are equally competent. If you check all these points, please notice before marriage, then afterwards it has no use. Please take a darshana. Come here, sir. This one Victory lamp pole, Vijaya Deepastham. It is 35 feet height, approximate weight 15 tons. It was erected by Vaicha Dandanayaka during 14th century. This one monolithic, single stone. It has simply placed a without binding material, freestanding pillar. Look there, only 3 corners of this pole touching the madam. 1 corner is not touching the ground. We can pass a handkerchief or paper only one side. To erect this pillar, they have to calculate the wind velocity of air. Its base is broad, goes in tapering, center of gravity falls within the base. Look there, holes through and through there, just freestanding pillar. These are all procession vehicles due to car festival in the month of April. Those compound walls are added later additions, sir, to product the Hoysala monument.
Okay. These
Sir,
are also ancient. Those are
Mysore Wadayar's periods. Sir, our temple is ocean of art, sir. In our temple, more than 10,000 statues. I explained some highlights of this temple. Please visit once again in more detail. Wish a happy journey. My name is Manjunath. I am trained by archaeologist. I hope you are enjoyed my service.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.